Good morning, Korean 28 on heavy, 7 mile final, 24 left.
Green Air 281 Heavy, Toronto Tower, good morning. Number 2, Embraer 1 mile climb. Winds 1803 knots, cleared land runway 24 left.
First land 24 left, clear 28 on.
Green Air 281, exit Delta 8, cross runway 24 right. Continue on to Delta, contact ground 1219.
Vacate Delta 8, cross runway 24 right at 4 Delta, contact ground 12.9, Korean 281, thank you.
Green Air 281, heavy ground, taxi Delta, Echo, full throat Sierra. Green Air 281, taxi Echo Bravo, contact the apron 12227.
Echo Bravo, the 811227, Korean Air 281, good day.
Delete.